successful batchmates from high school, to my grade 6 advisor and English teacher, Ma'am Aida Paho, to the Parents Teachers Association headed by Mr. Erwin Bonilla, Barangay Council member of Santa Barbara, to the Barangay Captain of Santa Barbara, Sir Manuel Tularon, Kagawad Barangay Santa Monica, Miss Eliza Siguma, Executive Secretary to the Mayor, core esteemed faculty, staff, and administration of Salihubar Elementary School, headed by school head teacher, Mrs. Marlene Rigacho. Guests, proud parents, and most importantly, the stars for today's celebration, the graduating class of Salihubar Elementary School. Good afternoon. I apologize, I've been under the weather for the past few days, but I just want to miss this for anything in the world. I am so grateful to Ma'am Adela Nacor and Ma'am Teresa Tayana Tunagilla for exerting effort and going all the way to Aringay just to extend the invitation. It's great to be back. It's like coming home. It is, thank you. It is such a great honor to be invited by my own alma mater to be the guest speaker for this most awaited event. I know all of you have prepared so much for this, and it is really a great privilege for me to be a part of this magnificent celebration and impart some inspirations to our young future leaders. The Salihubar Elementary School graduating class of 2024. Today marks the end of an important chapter of your educational journey and the commencement of another. It's a day of pride and achievement, worth celebrating with everyone who has contributed to your success. I stand before you today not only as your guest of honor and speaker, but as a proud alumna of Salihubar Elementary School. Like you, I once was seated in your place, excited for my day to be called to climb up the stage. Studied in the same classrooms, although nabago na. Walked these same hallowed grounds and dreamed big dreams. Ito kwento ko lang. Nung nag-aaral ako dito sa Salihubar Elementary School, I had Ma'am Aida Paho as my grade 6 advisor and English teacher. At kami kong natutunan kay Ma'am. Ang galing magturo. Naalala ko, ang school principal namin noon si Mr. Felix Dulos, and I had as teachers Mr. Fausto Olarte, Ma'am Marcelina Olarte, Ma'am Rosario Dumondon, among others. Ang bahay namin dyan sa bahay ni Mayor Francis Dumang ngayon. Naalala ko noon, may daan, dito kami dumadaan kasi may irigasyon dyan, sabi ni Mayor Frank, wala na raw yung irigasyon. Nung, pagkwento ko lang, nung dyan ang bahay namin, ang dami namin alagang baboy. Sometimes sumasama ang loob ko kasi nalilate ako sa school kasi bago pumasok, kailangan namin tumulong magpakain sa napakaraming baboy. And then after school, yung ibang classmates ko maglalaro pa. Pagka nakita naglalaro, magagalitan dahil kailangan umuwi at tutulong ulit sa bahay. Nung bata pa ako, medyo sumasabalo ko, pero yun pala, that's already a good training for what was to come later on in life. Yung mga natututunan ngayong bata pa, yung mga habits, you will carry that on later on in life. Kaya yung maagang pag-gising, yung pagiging masipag, yung natututo sa bahay. Ako maging grateful kayo pag tinuturoan kayo ng magulang ninyo. It was not an easy path. I had to spend sleepless nights studying and endured hardships and trials. But I had to keep pushing for my dreams. By the grace of the Lord and through perseverance, I became the person I am today. Remember this, a bright future awaits those who believe that dreams will come true. But of course, it takes courage, hard work, and determination. Along your way, you will be dealing with various challenges, but do not be deterred by them. Instead, keep moving forward and don't stop believing. Sino naman ang mangarap at panaginip kaya go for it. Kaya alam, samahan mo rin ang action. Huwag lang puro pangarap ka. To all the teachers and faculty members of Satipucar Elementary School, I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you who dedicated yourselves to providing our children with the best education possible. Your patience, guidance, and devotion have been instrumental in shaping us into the accomplished individuals we are today. Most of all, kudos and salute to the ever-loving parents and guardians whose sacrifices and guidance have been essential in our children's journey to this momentous day. Continue to be a source of inspiration and encouragement to this young generation. Our dear graduates, as you move forward to the next chapter, do not forget the values and lessons you have learned for the past 6 or 7 years. Put God first above all, because we came